That was Unit 7 by Sam Jones. Next up, we're going to play through it again, but this time we'll have the Guitar Pro neck diagram, standard notation, and tablature notation going along with the music. Then we'll go into a step-by-step. I'll show you each and every note, and we'll go over the basic chord changes. If you find this helps you learn the tune, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos and live streams. Also, check out fretprints.com where we go more in depth with tunes like this one in our member area. Okay, let's get started. Now that we've played through it again, let's work on this step by step. We start out in position 2. Play like that, 5, 2, and 3. Go up to position 3 and play G minor 7, C7. Just like that, by moving pinky or finger 4 down 1 fret to string 2 fret 5 from fret 6. And then we repeat that. Now we're going to do the same thing in position 7. Go back to position 2. Okay, kind of moving in reverse really, and then play a couple more notes here, G, G, and A. Then we're going to play on string 5, position 3. Right here, I'm plucking every note, but you want to do some hammer-ons, slurring, that kind of thing, and you can ghost this note that's in parentheses on string 5, fret 3. Then we're going to string 3 to end out this section. Here we're essentially going to repeat, but we'll have a different ending. Okay, so just like before, and we do that 2 times. Then we go to position 7. So kind of the same thing in that position on the F7. Then we play B flat A, G in reverse. And then G, G up to A again. Okay, we play this line again. And now we have a more final kind of ending. And that ends that second section. Next up we have position 5, and we have a time feel change. We're going into more an even eighths kind of feel, and this is staccato. Go back to position 4 and play frets 4 and string 5 and string 6 fret 5. Okay, now we can play longer tones, and we're going into staying in position 4 and then moving up 1 position. You can do slides and all that. I'm just going to be plucking for demonstration purposes. Okay, back into position 4 for that B. Okay, and then yeah, string 3 fret 7, string 4 fret 7, string 4 fret 5. Okay, and then we're going to play like this. Position 4. Okay, into position 5, fret 7 down to fret 3. Go to position 2, and then fret 5 and 2. And then here, I'm playing these 3 notes, 1, 2, 3 on strings 4. These last 3 notes vary by performance and recording. I believe Jimmy Bruno plays something like, Wes Montgomery plays something like this. So depends on what recording. So check those out for more detail and to kind of verify that. And then we have a bit of a break, and then we come back to the A section again. Okay, we're going to do that again. Go back to the position 7. Back to position 2. Okay, and then we're going to play just like we did before. Now this one you can change depending on whether you're playing this into the tune and then going into the solos. You might do like the second ending A section. And then when you're going to end it, let me play the one that's written here. Sounds more final. The other one sounds like something else is going to happen. Okay, let's check out some basic chords. All right, we have C7. Okay, essentially for 4 bars. And then we go to F7. 2 bars. Back to the C7 for 1 measure. We go to A7, sharp 5, A flat major 7, G7, and C major 7. You may find some variations to this chord progression. I'll give you some basic chord changes. Then we do essentially the same thing, but before that we go to G7, C7 for 4 measures, F7 for 2, back to C7, 1 measure, A7 sharp 5, 1 measure, A flat major 7, G7, and then C major 7, and A7 to set up the bridge. Then we have D minor 7, G7. You can play C major 7 or E minor 7 here. I'm going with E minor 7, A7, D minor 7, G7, E7, A7, and D minor 7. With the break you play, or you can play D minor 7 to G7 and connect to the final A section. C7, 4 measures. F7, 2 measures. C7, and then A7. Let's put a sharp 5 in there. A flat major 7, G7, C major 7, and then to repeat, G7. Thanks for watching. You may find you need more help on tunes like this one. Sign up for our email newsletter and get lessons sent straight to your inbox. And of course, check out fretprints.com and sign up for a free trial to our member area there. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.